Today we will see how to construct an angle of 60 degree with using just ruler and compass. Okay. So first constructing an angle of 60 degree, first we will draw a line. Yes. This is my line. I will give a name L to it. Okay. Now I will put one point somewhere as a Q. For constructing an angle, we need a vertex. So Q will be acting as our vertex point. Now, from Q, you are supposed to draw one arc. Take a compass in your hand and take the appropriate distance in. Okay, the distance should be of your own choice. Now, draw a semicircle. Now, this semicircle we have drawn. Now, where my semicircle and the line are touched to each other, that point I will give a name as A. Now, this is my A point. From point A, with the same distance into my compasses, I'm going to draw one more arc on the previous arc. Okay. Now, this point I will give a name as P. Okay. Now, just draw a line or a segment or a ray which passes through the intersecting point of these two arcs and my vertex of an angle. So here we will join and yes. Now measure with the protractor. Keep the vertex and the yes. Now if you see carefully, this 60 degree and my terminal arm of an angle is exactly coincident with each other. So I can say whatever angle is prepared here, that is of 60 degree, right? With the same measurement, if you draw one more arc from the previous arc where the point P is located and if we give a name Q to it, sorry, R we will give, Q we have already given. So, and if I am going to join this, the intersection point of an arcs and the vertex, then my next angle is formed, that is of 120 degree. Again, it is of 60 degree angle, and this 60 and this 60 will make the 120 degree angle. Now I will show you how to draw the angle of 15 degrees. Okay. Now this is my compass. Now this A and P, if I join these 2 points, it will form a segment. Then if this segment which is going to form, if I take a more than half distance of A and P, now this is more than half distance which I have taken into my compasses, and I am going to draw the arcs from A and from P. Yes, and now I will join this vertex Q and this intersection point of an arc. This is what we have constructed, the angle bisector of angle 60, and hence whatever new angle is formed, that angle is nothing but of a 30 degree. Now whatever this angle is formed, here we will give a name as X. Now my AQX angle AQX is of 30 degree. Even my angle XQP is also of 30 degree. This is nothing but the half of angle PQA, which is nothing but of 60 degree. Now 60 degree half, we got 30 degree. Now if I divide 30 degree into 2 parts, then I will get 15, 15. So if I am going to now see these 2 points I am having, so this point I will give a name as Y. So take the distance more than half of A to Y and draw the arc. Yes, from A and from Y, if I draw the arc. Yes. Now again one intersection point I got. Now if I join the vertex and this intersection point, then this whatever angle is formed after this, that will be of 15 degree. Now this angle is of also 15 degree. This is of also 15 degree. Now you can make the combinations and accordingly you can form the angles. Now, if I have to say that angle, find the angle which is measure is of 45 degrees. So I can write this 30 is, now we know that this YQP is nothing out of, or XQP is nothing of 30 degree, and this XQ and W, this is of 15 degrees. So I can say this combiningly is of 45 degree. Accordingly, you can find the angle of 45 degree also. You can find the angle of 60 degree, 15, 30 and 45, and even you can find that of 75 degree also. How? This angle is of 760 degree. If you subtract this angle into two parts, okay, that will again form 15, 15. So this 60 plus 15 will gives you 75. So like this combination you can prepare and you can construct the angles of either 15 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree and so on.